Now let's take that up into a little bit of a higher move. So I'm just taking that out from underneath my head. You might need a soft cushion or no cushion. So my hands are on the floor, or you can have them on your hips. We're going to use the same exercise as we've just done. We're just going to take it up a little bit more. So breath in. As you breathe out, roll your lower back into the floor, hip bones towards rib cage. Now squeeze your bum and start to send your hips up towards the ceiling. Breathe in at the top. And now when you breathe out, send your rib cage, your belly button into your spine. The bum's lifting, the rib cage is trying to drop. So we're getting a stretch in the lower back, down the legs, breathing out. Come back to the center. Breathe in. Exhale. Squeeze your bum and lift. Inhale. And exhale down. Now let's breathe in on the way up. So get ready. Sometimes these things are really hard. Inhale. I just can't do it. And then inhale on the way down. Let's do it again. And then inhale on the way down. And how did that feel? So roll onto your side and bring yourself up. So maybe it made no difference to you. And obviously when you've been doing Pilates for a long time and you've been breathing a certain way, the body just naturally will follow that. And that is not always a good thing, because sometimes your brain has muscle memory, and sometimes that's not a good thing. Sometimes we have to challenge that. So the next exercise is one that we can use the breath to challenge the brain a little bit.